Alright, April 7th. Do a quick video here because it's Friday. Um, so my main watch this morning was going long on this clean tech CLNT 4% breakout. Perfect setup here. This long consolidation, low volume, and huge green bar. And if you take a look here, we'll look at it on the 30-minute chart. So at the end of the day yesterday, it still had, what's this today? Yesterday. It still had a lot of momentum, a lot of power behind it still. It closed near the top, near the high day. And it's just saying, okay, it still has more to move up. So, and it did. It exploded, and for some reason right 15 seconds before open, I had my limits in for 705, which was right down here. And so this nice move here, 45% would have been, that's a good size move. I don't think I would have caught it all. As soon as it started coming back down, I probably would have taken some profits and got out. But I caught this short today. And so what I want to show whoever watches this, mainly for myself too, I've been burnt so many times on this play here. This short squeeze. Down, up, stop, lose my money right here. All the time. Every time these hit the scanner extended, I've educated myself a little more that I have to be more patient for one. To use different time frames. Like, you're not restricted to one time frame just because this thing is turning down on one time frame. What are the other time frames saying? 5 minutes says, hey, I'm coming back now. Look at the moving averages. This is still moving up. This is still saying I'm going up. This does not say I'm moving down. 15-minute time frame. I'm going up. Like, where else do you want to go? 30-minute. I'm going up. Nowhere does this say, in my mind, this is just my opinion, the conclusion that I've come to because I've been burnt so many times on these stocks, these rangy stocks that do this exact move, and they come up and they extend, second day, whatever, it could be the first day, and I try and catch this. Okay, there it is. There's my bar break down, my bar break up, and I get in, and then I'm all excited, and this thing goes through the roof, and then I'm out, right? Like, it's just this move. This is the move that gets me. So I had mentioned it in one of the chat rooms. I just mentioned as a precaution, like, this thing has a lot of power behind it. This thing is still showing upward trending motion, and I don't know. It upset one person in particular, I guess, who probably got stopped out of this play. But when I got in down here. This was where I took the short because this is now saying, hey, we're done. We're coming down. Look at these moving averages. Like, they're coming down. I don't care if you don't follow moving averages, fine. Down. This kind of made a little bit of a higher. It came to, you could put your limits in here. You would have caught a beautiful move. To the end of the day, 17%. It did frustrate me a little bit that this person in particular was upset at my comment. So, I guess traders they're a hard bunch, but no big deal. I made my money today. I've learned from my mistakes, and it was awesome. It was a good trade. It's just something that I think is worth noting, and also the fundamentals. Like, it's something that you need to look at. If you're going to make a trade and you're going to say, hey, why is this up? Well, like, check it out. Go to, there's so much free shit out there. Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, Market Watch. You can go anywhere and it'll tell you the story. You know, why is this up? They got like a $60 million loan or some shit into some investment or something for a crazy amount of money. So that's why this is up. You know, is this a valid reason for this to be up this much? I don't know if it is or not. You know, you see this shit all the time. It goes up, piece of shit stock. It's going to come down. Who knows? It might stay at this level. It might come back up. I don't know. But this in particular told me that it's exhausted. It's done its move. It's time to make its way down. And that's what it did. And this might go down some more. See, really, for me, I had put a note somewhere. There it is. Don't short it. Wait for day 3 or 4. And I wasn't planning on shorting it, but because I saw it taking a turn, a really good sharp turn, I took some profits. I didn't plan on. I wanted to hold it throughout the weekend, but my broker charges 7 times the borrow cost, and these shares were pretty expensive today. So I'll try, on Monday, because I still think this thing could come down to $5, $4. It might even go sideways for a bit, come back up. That ideally that would be nice if this thing shot back up, flagged for a few days and then came back down. There is a few out there right now. I think it's another big mover. 101%. So I'll be watching this one probably next week. Hopefully it can go sideways for a bit, build some strength, then shoot down. CCR. There's another one. 131%. These are looking decent, but I would like to see more extension from these. I want to see this one shoot up some more. I might even try and catch. See, they did kind of break down a little bit at the end of the day. It's just some profit takers Friday. I'll be watching Cali. This one, CALI, China Auto Logistics. It's up a few days, 1, 2, 3 days. Starts to break down. So this thing might slowly over a few days make its way back down to, whatever point this is, wherever it feels it should be. Probably back down to this range. And now this is a funny one. But see, look where it closed. Right at the high. Boom. AKTX. Near the high. Flag. Boom. Up. But this still has a lot. This one might go up some more too, I think. AKTX. Someone's buying this. Some big buyers. Big move after 3 o'clock too. Huge. But anyway, that's just one trade today. Made my profits. It was a great trade, I think. And time frames, fundamentals. Check it out. That's why they're there. Have a good weekend.